Hi everyone, and welcome back to my channel. How are you? How are you feeling? How is life treating you? Hopefully life is treating you well, and if not, I do hope things get better. On today's episode of Sandy-MMVKBKWU Presents, I'm bringing you two things. Two Target boxes, that's correct. I brought you the beauty box and the men's grooming box. So let's get started and open these up because they're pretty awesome. At least I thought they were awesome this month. For those of you that are new and for those of you that are coming back, welcome, bienvenidos, ¿cómo están todos? Hope you all doing fantastic. Thank you for all for being here. Thank you for your support. Thank you for your love. Thank you for your comments. Everything. I will get to everyone's comments. I've just been really busy trying to do a few things, trying to change little things on my channel, so forth and so on. Let me get this. Sorry, I hate to reach over. But anyways, what else do I want to say? That's it. I hit 1,600 subscribers. Yay! So now we just have to get to 1,700 subscribers so that I can do the giveaway of that men's grooming box that I had showed you all. Oh, I put it away, or I'd go get it. Anyway, let's get started. My battery's blinking at me. So we're gonna start out with the beauty box. Target beauty box. These are $7 a month. They are monthly, but they're not a subscription plan. So they put them out and you just go on there and buy a box or two, and they come within a day or two. I ordered mine yesterday and I got mine today, something like that. They come fairly quickly. So they're $7 a month. They're not a subscription plan, so you're not tied into anything. And this is the fall box. This is October's box because they are monthly. So let's get started. And I ordered two of these because it was a good box. And normally if they don't sell out right away, they have them towards the end of the month. Sometimes, not always, they go clearance. They go for $5 or even sometimes $3. I think I've seen these in the stores. They sell them for $3 a piece. So if this October box goes down to $3, your girl's gonna be buying some more. So let's get started. It says your autumn it kit. There you go. They always give you a $3 coupon on the back of the purchase of $15 or more, and I always forget to use them, so I'm gonna try to download it to my phone right now. I absolutely love this box. Like I said, it's $7. Sometimes you can get it for $5, and sometimes you can get it for $3. It comes in a cute box. Did I show you the front of the box? That's what the box looks like, up close and personal for the fall. And this is everything. And I tell you, I love this box this month. You always know what you're getting in the box. You could choose to buy the box or not. It's not a mystery, so it's not like, oh, I don't know what's coming. You always know. And I'm going to use these tonight. So this is the Moisture Boost Shampoo and Conditioner Head and Shoulders. That's a nice size. And something smells good in here. I wonder if it's this. This has coconut oil. Yes. Oh man, this smells so good. I'm gonna use these tonight, and they're great for traveling. The 3 ounces. The next thing I'm pulling out of here is Crest 3D White. That's Brilliant Advanced Stain Protection. So actually that's good. I love these because I have a couple of these in my linen closet. So then when we run out of toothpaste and I forget to go buy some, I know, just pull these out and we use these. Again, great for traveling. The next item is the, do they have prices on here this time? No, they normally do. But not this time. So then this is Lume? Lajed, I don't know how to pronounce this. This is by, who is this by? I don't know. What is this by? Lumen Oil. It's not, oh yes it is. Lumen Nordic Hydra 24-hour moisturizer. Get a sample of that. Intense hydration. I've never heard of this brand before. For the best effect, apply to face and neck after thoroughly cleansing. So you get a nice little sample size. This is like something we usually see in Birchbox, you know. So that's cute. I'll try that, or maybe I'll put in a giveaway, I don't know. So that's that. The next thing we're pulling out, oh, this is so cute. Number 7, they have the cutest little samples. This is a booster serum. And I put this in a giveaway as well because I have one of these upstairs. For an extra boost, mix into your daily moisturizer, eye cream, or foundation to supercharge your products with line smoothing power. So I guess you can use both of these together and figure that out, you know. The next thing I'm pulling out of here is Extremely Dry Rescue Healing Moisture Lotion by Vaseline. This is great to keep in the car, also for traveling. Keep it in your purse, depending on how big your purse is. And you know, with winter coming up and the dry weather and so forth and so on, this is a good product to keep in. Oh, doesn't smell like anything, so that's kind of good. And then the next thing, this is what made me buy the box. Like, this is why I got the box for $7, because it comes with not one but 2 pair of Ardell foam ink, luxuriously lightweight with knot-free Invisiband. So there you go. And then with homecoming this weekend, maybe my daughter can use these, and if she ruins them, I don't care because it didn't cost me much. So that came in here. Oh, we have something else. Oh, this is interesting. So then did I see this in there? I think I did. Yes, I did. So it's Colorista hair makeup for tips and strands. So this is for brunettes. And that's the product, One Day Color. It's actually kind of pretty. And that's for brunettes. No gloves, no damage, no commitment. And then this is for blondes and highlighted hair. I wonder what the difference is. Maybe I'll put them in my hair, both of them, and see what happens. So then that's the effects on the bottom for the blonde, the dark blonde. It says for brunette, not recommended. I wonder what would happen. And then for blondes and for the brunettes and black hair, it says blonde hair, this shade might last longer for your hair. So I'll show you that down there below. So that's kind of interesting. Oh, I can't wait to try these. Maybe I'll try it on a live stream. But yeah, this is why I bought the box. I bought them just for the lashes, $7. You can't go wrong. And for the shampoo and conditioner, because Head and Shoulders, girl, got a little flakes. So this is gonna be in handy. So that's everything in this box. Now let's see what's in that was geared towards the men box. Okay, battery, I'll see you flashing. I'm hurrying it. Plus, I'm finally gonna go downstairs and get on the treadmill because I've been gaining some weight and that's not good, you know. So I'm gonna get on the treadmill. So the next box is this beauty box. This is geared toward the men, and let's see what's in here. I forgot what was in here. This was also $7, and it says moving and grooming. That's that. And then, like I said, the good thing is, scared me. The good thing is, damn spam calls. You've been calling me all day. With this, but oh no, now I remember why I got this. So this is what the box looks like. It's all blue. Comes for, and now I know. And now I remember why I bought this box. You know what? If you come and think about it, they give you the $3 coupon, so now your box gets knocked down to $4. And we all make beauty purchases. It's for hair care, personal care, skincare, and cosmetics. So this is always good to use. I always just forget to use them, but I should start using them. So let's see. So they have, in the other box we had 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 items in the first box. This box has, let's get started. We have a Suave Men 3-in-1 Citrus Brush Shampoo. I use this as well. My husband is dedicated to his brand. He loves Suave, but he likes hydration or some, I forgot. If I see it, I'll remember. So I'll use this. It's a 3-in-1. Also good travel size, 3 fluid ounces. This one also comes with a 2-in-1 Men Advanced Series. Oh, Old Spice Head and Shoulders. Ooh. Okay. Oh, it smells good. Let me get that. And this is also good travel size, 3 fluid ounces in that one. We also, oh, this one comes with the Crest Pro Health Gum and Sensitivity. Also great travel size, all day protection. It also comes with the art of shaving, lather up and shave. So you got a pre-shave oil, shaving cream, aftershave balm. Again, if my husband doesn't use it, I'll be more than happy to use it. Yeah, that. They carry this brand in Target, so that's good too. And then they have something called Bandito Mask Bar. Chill a minute or 30, cream mask. Mascarilla crema. What is this for? Oh, so they have a mask in here for men. Get out. Bandito Mask Bar. Hey, get to use this too. This is why I got this. This is why I got this box. Because they have a Dove Men Plus Care deodorant wipes, active and fresh. And this is the only reason why I really got this box, because I wanted to try out these wipes. So when I go to the gym, to keep these in my bag and wipe down and see, you know, if they're good and how well they'll do. And if I like any of these products, I can always use the coupon and pay less money for them. So that was everything in this box. So we got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 items. 6 items in this box. Again, in the other box, we got the shampoo and conditioner. Can't wait to try that out. Then we got the Extremely Dry Rescue, Skin Rescue by Vaseline. We got the Crest Brilliance 3D White. We got the Lume Moisturizer. There you go. Then we got the number 7 Laboratories Line Correcting Booster Serum. Got that, and that you add with your moisturizer to give it an extra oomph. Then we have the Colorista Hair Care Colors for blondes and brunettes. We have those too, so I can't wait to try that out. And then we got the Ardell Foam Mink Lashes. That's everything in both of these boxes. I'm actually really like this box. Like I said, it was only $7. So getting the lashes and getting the coupon pays pays for the box. So that's what I liked about it. So that's everything I have for you. I want to thank you very much for being here. Thank you for joining me. I truly appreciate you being here and just being here all the time. I really appreciate it. My video went longer than expected. My battery lasted a little longer than I expected. So I'm very grateful for that. So thank you all for being here. Thank you for your love and support. Thank you. Just mil gracias for being here. I'm truly, truly, truly appreciate it. And until the next time, hasta laterz.